the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor Plan was unveiled on? The answer is the 20th of April 2015. Tapi gas pipeline was inaugurated jointly by leaders of 4 countries on 23rd. The answer is 2018. China-Iran inked 25-year Strategic Cooperation Pact on the 27th of March of. The answer is 2021. What is the rank of Thar Desert in the world, area-wise? The answer is 9th. Quetta city was completely destroyed due to earthquake in? The answer is 1935. Which of the following is the Parliament of Japan? The answer is Diet. Asia Minor is a geographical expression, a part 2? The answer is Turkey. A light year is equal to? The answer is 9.46 trillion kilometers. Lakhara coal field is located in? The answer is north of Hyderabad. Which country was earlier known as Siam? The answer is Thailand. You dash stones dash the window. Choose the suitable pair of words. The answer is throw through. The college is dash today. It will remain dash tomorrow as well. Choose the suitable pair of words. The answer is open open. Their only male child is the only dash to these expensive. Choose the suitable pair of words. The answer is has. She has a dash for languages, but she often dash at her friends. Choose the suitable pair of words. The answer is flare flares. Our army achieved as smashing victory. Choose the opposite meaning of underlined phrase. The answer is crushing defeat. He left no stone unturned to get a job. Choose the opposite meaning of underlined phrase. The answer is did not try. He is a chip of the old block. Choose the opposite meaning of underlined phrase. The answer is father. They are staunch believers in the existence of Allah. Choose the opposite meaning of underlined. The answer is atheists. A thief made away dash my cell phone. The answer is with. Some malefactors commit crimes dash impunity. The answer is 2. Dayton Agreement was a peace agreement of? The answer is Bosnia and Herzegovina. The Mount Everest lies on the borders between Nepal and the answer is Tibet. Suez Canal is between? The answer is Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. Which country is called the land of golden fiber? The answer is Bangladesh. The Treaty of Hudaybiyah took place in dash year of Hijrah. The answer is 6th. Ringgit is the currency unit of? The answer is Malaysia. Gobi Desert is located in the south of? The answer is Mongolia. Where the biggest salt mine located in Pakistan? The answer is Jhelum. The ceasefire line was renamed as Line of Control under? The answer is Simla Agreement. According to which article of 1973 Constitution, every citizen shall have the right to freedom of speech and expression? The answer is Article 18. Sindh Madrasatul Islam Karachi was founded by? The answer is Hassan Ali Afandi. The official name of Sukkur Barrage is? The answer is Lloyd Barrage. Blind dolphins are found in. The answer is Indus River. Which of the following planets is called evening star? The answer is Venus. 18th Amendment of the Constitution of Pakistan was passed by the National Assembly of Pakistan on blank 2010. The answer is 8th of April. Contour is a measure of. The answer is topography. Deficiency of vitamin A results in. The answer is night blindness. Solid which undergoes sublimation is. The answer is iodine. How does a magnesium atom form a bond with an oxygen atom? The answer is by giving one pair of electrons to the oxygen. These are two most common elements in the Earth crust. The answer is oxygen and silicon. In process of sublimation, the answer is solid turns into gas. Cells that are responsible for photosynthesis in plants. Question mark. The answer is mesophile cells. Genetic material within larger thread-like structure chromosome is called. The answer is genes. Which of the following does not contain cell wall? The answer is algae. Iskandar Mirza became the first president of Pakistan on. The answer is 23rd of March 1956. Former northern areas were granted autonomy under the name of Gilgit-Baltistan on. The answer is 29th of August 2009. Wasak Dam is located on. The answer is River Kabul. Which is the largest fort of Pakistan? The answer is Rani Kot Fort. First person who received Nishan-e-Haidar. The answer is Captain Raja Muhammad Sawa Shaheed. Name the biggest barrage of Pakistan. The answer is Sukkur Barrage.